How to update keyboard driver for Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Device Manager on your device. In Device Manager, search for Keyboards and expand Keyboards in here. Then, right-click on your keyboard device, press on Update Driver. After you press on Update Driver, click on Search automatically for drivers. And if the problem insists, close the tab, right-click on the device, and click on Uninstall Device. Press on Uninstall. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. And this is how to update keyboard driver for Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.